Hello friend, how are you? In this video, I will quickly show you how to remove your Gmail account from other devices. So you need to follow this setup. Simply, you have opened your Google account settings. So if you have a computer or a phone or Android or iOS, you just have to open any browser. There you need to write my account. You need to click on www.google.com. Now make sure you are logged in with the account you want to manage. If you want, simply now what you need to do is go to security. You have to go to the security settings. Click on the security tab, which is also on the left hand side. Now here you need to write come here. Here you need to write come to manage devices, manage devices. Click on your device. Until you arrive here at manage a device, you need to click. Now from here you will see a list of all devices that are logged in with this account, okay? Now if you want to do anything, simply for instance, I need to remove this one, okay? Now you've clicked on it, it says it here. You'll come down here. Simply click here and you will see that you click on sign out. And in this way, your account will be removed from these devices. It's that simple. This way you can do it easily. And now I'll tell you about another setup. This one is also easy. Simply you've opened YouTube, okay? If you do not understand what I'm saying, here you need to click on the profile, sign in with the account you want to manage, meaning the ones you want to remove from the devices. Simply come to the Google account. When you come to the Google account, then you need to come here to secure. Click on the security view, and now you need to come down in the same way to where it's written manage all devices. You need to remove any device that is active on another system. So simply choose any option where it says sign out and you can proceed this way.